They think you're amazing. They have never come across someone that has interpersonal intelligence before. I'm being serious. The fact that you are so self-aware, it really intrigues this individual. They love your mind. They love conversing with you. They find your thoughts, your conversations so mesmerizing, to the point whereby when they separate themselves from you, they constantly think about what you both shared, what you both spoke about. They find you to be magical. They find you to be someone that has this inner world that you've created for yourself. And in a sense, they actually want to learn how they can create their own inner world. They see you as an alchemist. They see you as someone who can transmute energy and turn pain into purpose. They see how you have transformed your life, and you did not allow your pitfalls to harden your heart or to destroy yourself. And the thing is, I feel like this person's life was upside down before you entered. And now that you've come into their life, you have awoken them. You have opened their heart. They connect to you on a soul level. They feel a telepathic connection with you. They feel as if no words need to be said. You know what they think and you know what they want. This person feels intensely drawn to you. They've never come across someone that has made them feel the way that you make them actually feel. You have reawoken this individual, and it's quite scary because this individual is used to putting people in certain boxes. So for instance, they will have their friends that they talk to about general stuff. Maybe their siblings, they may choose to talk to their siblings about, again, general stuff, day-to-day stuff. Neighbors that they have small associations with. If they were in a relationship, they would shut down on their emotions and how they truly feel and show up for their partner. But with you, they feel like you are everything all in one. They see you as someone that is abundant, someone that is ambitious, someone that is their match, someone that they can actually build with, someone that will pour into them, not just them pouring into a person. Someone that they've never encountered or experienced before, but they are extremely excited to see what could be within this actual connection, because you are not their usual type, and this is what makes the connection even more exciting. They see you as someone that they can learn from. They see you as someone that is highly skilled. They see you as someone that is non-judgmental. They can speak to you about anything. They see you as someone that they can merge with in regards to finances, in regards to opening their heart. They feel a strong urge to give to you. This person feels strong romantic feelings towards you. You have triggered them to open up their heart. And I feel like this person's generally romantic, but over the years, their heart chakra closed down because they felt like they were given to people that were just using them. But with you, you're making them feel like it's kind of safe to love again, but they're not sure because you're so independent, and they may feel like, what can they actually give you that you can't give yourself? They love to converse with you, but this person could be quite shy, so they may like to converse with you with other people being around. But they can't hide the fact that they're in love with you. And they see that you embody the energy of love. And it's almost as if this person feels like, aha, I met my match. There are genuine souls out there. And in the past, this person didn't want to believe that you were genuine. But they can't deny the fact that you're different from whoever they've been with in the past. You have changed their perspective. They don't just see who you are on the outer. They see your whole essence. And to this individual, it's unbelievable. They feel like you're not from this world. You are pure magic in full form. They see you as powerful, dynamic, someone that they can see themselves building a life with. But they also feel as if they lost their opportunity, or for some of you, they feel like they're not good enough. But they're in love with you. They don't care about your background, your job titles, the differences between the two of you, because I feel like there are a lot of differences between yourself and this person. You and this individual could come from different cultural backgrounds. There could be differences in class, in job titles, etc. It could be a long distance relationship for some of you. Could be differences in regards to communication. But all that doesn't matter to this individual, because in this person's view, once you meet someone special like yourself, you never let it go. Because someone like you is so rare. And someone like you comes once in a lifetime. And they're starting to think to themselves, what did I do to create this amazing person in my life? Like, what good karma am I receiving? What did I do in the past to receive this good karma, which is you? And all they've done is started to work on themselves. It started to heal themselves and to believe that they are deserving of love, and to rid of toxic connections and people that made them feel less than. That's how they manifested you in. And for some of you, that's how you manifested this person in. And no one's not perfect. But this person feels like you are their perfect match. This person sees themselves settling down with you, marrying you. Even if this person's not into marriage, they see themselves being loyal to you. They see their whole future in your eyes. Having children with you, creating a legacy with you. They think you're amazing. And quite simply, my darling, you are.